Hello, and I'm Dr. Farah Sultan, and I'm so happy to introduce to you Chere, and thank you so much, Chere, for being here.
You're welcome.
And if you could share your story about some of the symptoms you were experiencing prior to coming here to see us at Vitology.
Okay, I'll be glad to. I came here, the main purpose was because I wanted to check into getting hormone replacement therapy with the pellets and the bioidentical hormones. And I was kind of scared to try it because I didn't know anything about it. I just knew that I had one friend who doesn't live here in Birmingham, and she had told me it was great, wonderful, but obviously we didn't live close enough for me to go to the practice that she went to. So I was looking into this, and I was having major hot flashes, waking up in the middle of the night just completely drenched, and it was just miserable. And instead of getting better, kept getting worse and worse, and this has been going on for several years. And within 2 weeks of getting the first pellets, oh my gosh, no hot flashes at all, completely gone, which was a miracle. And I had just been feeling not myself. I mean, I didn't even want to get out of bed in the morning. It's not that I was depressed, but there was no joy in activities I used to enjoy doing. I just, what's the point? What's the purpose? And I still have a wonderful family, wonderful home life. So that I just thought, I'm not here anymore. And that's gone. So, I mean, my husband, my children, everybody noticed it and said, Mom, you're back to normal.
Wow.
And that has been amazing. Huge. So I am so thankful that I found you and your approach to
better,
everything.
And your libido is better.
Much better. I mean, complete difference. So It's wonderful.
So for someone who is a little skeptical, especially about hormones and especially pellets, what would you have to say to them from your experience?
Do it. It's absolutely worth it. And then just your whole approach to trying to look at your whole life as a complete picture instead of just trying to, let's throw some medicine at this and fix and worry without looking at the whole person. You don't get the huge benefits. I mean, I feel just 1,000 times better, just overall.
Awesome.
So, been completely worth it.
Thank you so much for sharing your story.
You're welcome.
And congratulations on your health journey. And I'm so glad you're feeling so much better. So, thank you so much.
Thank you.